In March 2025, a remarkable chapter in solar science unfolded when the European Space Agency's solar orbiter achieved what no mission had before, capturing the first detailed images of the Sun's south pole. By carefully adjusting its path to a 17-degree tilt below the solar equator, the spacecraft gained an unprecedented vantage point, revealing a region of our star long shrouded in mystery. The images returned to Earth depicted a tumultuous realm, where the Sun's magnetic fields clashed and intertwined in ways more chaotic and dynamic than scientists had anticipated. This glimpse into the solar South Pole is far more than a technical triumph. It's a vital key to understanding the Sun's powerful, ever-changing magnetic cycles, which govern everything from sunspots to dramatic eruptions like solar flares and coronal mass ejections. Insights from these newly observed features are poised to deepen our grasp of how the Sun's magnetic field evolves over its 11-year cycle, influencing not just the solar atmosphere, but also the space weather that can disrupt satellites, communications, and even power grids here on Earth. As researchers pore over the data, they're uncovering clues about the fundamental processes that drive our star's restless activity and, by extension, shape the broader environment of our solar system. Hi, welcome to Eternal Tales. Meanwhile, in late 2023, astronomers witnessed another cosmic milestone, the detection of GDU 231123, the most massive black hole merger ever recorded. Two titanic black holes, one about 100 and the other 140 times the mass of the Sun, spiraled together, sending powerful ripples through the fabric of space-time. The signal, captured by the LIGO-Virgo-Cagra network, shattered previous assumptions about how such colossal black holes form. Their immense size and rapid spins hint at a complex history, possibly involving earlier mergers, and challenge scientists to rethink existing models of stellar evolution. Together, these breakthroughs are expanding our cosmic horizons, revealing the Sun's hidden dynamics and the extraordinary violence lurking in deep space. Each discovery lights the path toward a richer, more nuanced understanding of our universe and our place within it. Like, share, and subscribe for more.